Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with me. Now we have a question. If angle A and angle B are acute angle such that cos A is equal to cos B, show that angle A is equal to angle B. Now we'll construct a triangle first. Here, as it once one angle is 90 degree, let me name them A, B, C respectively. Here angle C is at 90 degree, and we know that cos of A is equal to cos of B, and we have to show angle A is equal to angle B. Here, as mentioned, angle A and angle B are acute angles, and such that cos of A is equal to cos of B. Here only one condition satisfies, that angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 45 degree. If this exists, then cos of 45 degree is equal to cos of 45 degree. Then the angle A is equal to angle B. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share our channel Study with me. Thank you.